everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liza if you're new around here, and today I've got a meal planning video and also a clean with me video for you. So I'm going to be doing a grocery haul and showing you all of the items that I've bought for our different meal ideas. I'm going to show you 3 different meal ideas as well, and also some lunch options as well. So if you want to see what I've got, then just keep watching. This video is actually a collaboration with Channel Mum and Iceland. They've got some great meal planners at the moment. They've also got a veggie option as well, and all of the items pretty much cost £1, £2 or £3, which is amazing. It's an expensive time with the whole back to school thing at the moment, and this is just going to help us with meal times. So if you want to see what I got and also watch me clean, then just keep watching. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I got was a pizza for pizza night. It's by Gina D'Acampo, and then I also got the Mia's meatballs. I thought that would be really yummy, so I got that. We've got some mixed vegetables. We've also got some chicken dippers by Birdseye with some garden peas and some unicorn potatoes, which I thought were really, really cute. We've got some mashed potato, we've got some mint sauce and some fish fingers. So we're going to make some posh fish finger flatbreads, so I've got my flatbreads there as well. And then I've got a few lunch options as well. So these are just things that I'm going to use for the kids' lunches. So we've got a cucumber, we've also got some egg mayonnaise sandwich filler, we've got some carrots, some fruit shoots, some skips, the boys love skips, bananas, and also some Warburton's bread. So that is everything that I got, and then later on I will show you a few of the meals as well. So this is my receipt for everything that I bought today. Everything costs £17.80. I also got this as well, so I get a free loaf of bread next time because I've got a bonus card, which is amazing. I also wanted to show you Iceland's bonus card. So basically what you do is you get £1 back when you save £20 on your card, and you get £2 back when you actually register your card online. And in September there's a swipe up and win competition where every time you swipe up at the end of your shop there are thousands of chances to win exclusive prizes. Okay, so this is what your back to school meal planner will look like. It's also a clickable planner, so all you need to do is tap on the item that you would like to buy and it will take you to the website so you can buy it. It's as easy as that.
Mum, I think of that one. Lovely.
Can I try it?
Lovely.
Was it nice?
Very lovely.
Is it lovely? It's a unicorn, that one. Can you see it's a unicorn? Unicorn shaped.
This tail.
Looks like a tail, does it? A fish tail. Right, time for some tidying up. So I'm in the kitchen and the dining room. We've just eaten, actually. We had the Gino pizza. Oh my gosh, absolutely delicious. It's real restaurant quality. It tastes beautiful. So that was our food today. And then I'm going to clean up the kitchen right now because it's a little bit of a mess. So let's get started by clearing the dining room table. The boys have got Lego on the table because they've been playing with the Lego, and they put it all in a pan for some reason to keep all of the pieces together. So that's what I'm just tidying up right now. And I'm also going to give the kitchen a good tidy as well, just to make sure everything is in its place. As you can see now, I'm giving this room a little sweep. There's always crumbs in this room, whether it's crumbs from breakfast or sandwiches, things like that. And also from the boys coming in and out from the garden, there's always something on the floor. So I'm just giving that a little sweep. And now I'm going to put a wax melt on because I love to do this to make the room smell amazing, especially after cooking. After I've put the dishes away from this morning, I'm cleaning some more dishes from this afternoon, and then I'm going to clean the sink area out using elbow grease, and I'm also going to use an old bottle scrub. This was Orlando's old bottle scrub. I actually use it for the sink area now, and it's really good at cleaning the sink. So that's what I'm using, and then I'm going to put a little bit of disinfectant into the smaller sink area just to do a nice disinfectant bath. It makes the room smell really good. This is a new one by Astonish. It's called Peach Blossom. It smells so nice. And then the final step in the kitchen is just to give the surfaces a quick wipe down. I'm just using Zaflora and my e-cloth, and this works really well in this room. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'm going to go into the laundry room and just get a load of washing out and put another load on because it's never ending in this household. finally we're in the living room, and this isn't actually looking too bad. It's just got a few little bits and bobs everywhere from this morning, so I'm just going to give that a quick tidy and a spruce up, and then that will be done. Last job for the living room will be a vacuum. That's just what I like to do, just to make the room feel like it's completely clean and done. It makes it look so much tidier for some reason. So a quick vacuum and a spray of Carpet Fresh, again to make the room smell amazing. I love fragrances around the house, and this is just another way that I make the house smell really good. So there you have it, a quick speed clean and some meal ideas as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Channel Mum for more videos, and definitely head over to Iceland for lots of affordable, delicious food. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.